Billionaire chemist Chamath's outrageous pricing is something you won't want to miss if you're interested in Tesla's future and how it plans to transform transportation, renewable energy, insurance, and robotics. Bold forecasts for Tesla shares during the conversation will be focusing on that in this video, so make sure to give it a big thumbs up before it ends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Thomas breaks down his thoughts and shares why he believes the price of Tesla stock will skyrocket to levels the stock market has never seen before. Despite criticism of its high share price, Thomas thinks Tesla will see considerable growth, doubling and tripling in value as it continues to disrupt the automobile industry with its focus on addressing climate change. The world's transition to renewable energy sources, which will also depend the power utility sector, is predicted to benefit Tesla. Thomas thinks Tesla will play a big part in this disruption, and that its stock price will rise steadily as a result. The biggest disruption, in Thomas' opinion, will be to power utilities because there are trillions of dollars worth of bonds, capital expenditures, and other assets stored inside the global energy generation infrastructure. When that goes south, Tesla will double and triple again. Given the growing concern about climate change and the increased adoption of renewable energy sources, Thomas believes that Tesla will play a significant role in the disruption. In addition, energy costs in many states compound at a rate of 3 to 4% per year, meaning that the cost of energy in the states doubles every 10 to 15 years. This presents an opportunity for Tesla to offer a more affordable and sustainable energy solution. Even though producing energy doesn't cost anything, consumers are hit with a 100% increase in sales every 5 to 8 years due to the upkeep and replacement costs of aging infrastructure. This presents an opportunity for Tesla to disrupt the utility industry with its distributed energy business, which is focused on storing, utilizing, and harnessing energy in a way that allows people to be productive. Utilities are a prime example of an industry where monopolies exist, and the law requires them to invest a certain amount annually in upgrading power lines, according to Chamath. The richest person in the world should be someone who is actively working toward a sustainable future, and Tesla is at the forefront of this movement. Tesla is a shining example of a firm that is combating and repairing climate change. By capturing, storing, and using energy effectively and responsibly, Tesla's distributed energy business is transforming our understanding of energy. This is due to the company's focus on renewable energy and sustainable transportation. Despite concerns from Wall Street analysts regarding the high cost of Tesla shares, entrepreneur and venture capitalist Chamath urged investors to support entrepreneurs who are making significant changes in the world, including Tesla's efforts to deliver clean energy and create a sustainable future. Tesla is making it possible for humans to be productive while reducing their impact on the environment. Chamath thinks it would be foolish to bet against Tesla's success, particularly given the increasing demand for green energy. He explained how he thinks people would want to live sustainably, and that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually build a small power plant to compete with the country's roughly 1,700 public utility companies. It's clear that Thomas has been urging investors to support businesses that are dedicated to changing the world. He recently singled out Tesla as an example of a company that is working towards a sustainable future and delivering clean energy, despite some analysts' concerns about the high price of Tesla shares. Chamath thinks it would be foolish to bet against Tesla's success, particularly given the rising demand for green energy. He believes that people will eventually want to live more environmentally friendly lives and take charge of their energy consumption, and as a result, he predicts that each of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually build a small power plant to compete with the roughly 1,700 public utility companies in the country. What excites him the most about Tesla is its efforts to develop advanced real-world artificial intelligence, AI, that powers its electric cars and can be used to build robots. He thinks that Tesla's proficiency in this field provides them a significant edge over its rivals, and that it will continue to lead the way in the development of cutting-edge technologies. Tesla's robot Optimus has the potential to upend the industry in the same manner that the iPhone did. The subject of game-changing products and how they gain traction in the market was also covered by AI technologies. He gave pay a premium for them. He also emphasized the significance of lowering the price or creating features that are so alluring that buyers will pay any amount for them. Chamath also talked about the developments in Tesla's initiatives, including as the robot Optimus, which was on display at the company's 2023 Investor Day. The most recent iteration of Optimus is capable of walking, carrying out basic chores, and picking up objects. Chamath lauded Tesla's artificial intelligence, AI, skills, saying that the company has the most sophisticated AI in the real world. This AI powers the vehicle. He likened it to a robot on wheels and Optimus to a robot on legs. Despite worries from Wall Street analysts regarding the high price of Tesla shares, billionaire Chamath recently stated in an interview that he supports business people who are making a big difference in the world, such as those developing sustainable energy solutions like Tesla's electric vehicles, solar panels, and power walls. Thomas explains why he thinks investors should keep funding businesses that are aiming for a greener future. He also believes that people will eventually want to live more sustainably, and that every one of the 100 million homeowners worldwide will eventually construct a small power plant to compete with the approximately 1,700 public utility companies in the country. Thomas also provided an example of a new product that has the potential to change the game. He said that 3 to 5% of consumers, known as believers, bought the product based only on blind faith in the product's promise of a better future. He believes that solar panels and battery electric vehicles, EVs, are two examples of this phenomenon, and that millions of homes are now able to profit from them thanks to government incentives like President Biden's initiatives. He also conveyed enthusiasm for Optimus and other upcoming Tesla initiatives. According to Chamath, the Tesla humanoid robot has a lot of potential and might revolutionize the business in a similar way to how the iPhone did when it was initially released. According to Thomas, one of Tesla's main benefits is its sophisticated real-world artificial intelligence. Tesla has made significant investments in artificial intelligence, AI, mostly for self-driving cars, though robotics can also benefit from this technology. Tesla has accomplished amazing feats in autonomous driving thanks to its AI capabilities, which are regarded as some of the most advanced in the world. Optimus is intended to be a humanoid robot that can carry out a variety of jobs, from basic housework to more difficult jobs like manufacturing and construction. The robot is anticipated to have a variety of sensors and cameras that will allow it to precisely carry out duties, navigate the environment, and detect things and people. Tesla is in a great position to transform the robotics sector with Optimus thanks to its experience in electric vehicles and AI expertise. Going on to the subject of humanoid robots, Tesla wants to build a robot that is not only competent but also reasonably priced, making it available to a larger spectrum of consumers. According to Chamath, the main benefit is that they should be able to move around freely and complete jobs without needing to be programmed to respond. He also poses intriguing queries regarding the nature of the economy. But the production per person is significantly higher and the robot-to-human ratio is more than 1-to-1. This concludes the video, but first, let's quickly review. Thomas discusses why he thinks Elon Musk is such a special leader and a force of nature, pointing out that not many people are able to create something as monumental as Elon, and that even fewer are prepared to live in their factory and sleep on the floor in order to realize their vision. This clip talks about Chamath Palihapitiya's forecast regarding the future of Tesla and its revolutionary potential moving insurance for green energy and robotics as a result. Thomas thinks Tesla will double or triple in value. He talks about Tesla's efforts to combat climate change and create a sustainable future, including its distributed energy businesses that harness, stores, and use energy efficiently and sustainably. He also praises Tesla's artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities, particularly its robot Optimus, which can walk, perform simple tasks, and pick up objects. Thomas believes that Tesla will continue to disrupt the automotive industry and become a major player in the global shift towards renewable energy sources. That's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thomas thinks that Tesla's innovations will continue to alter the world, and that investors should support businesses that are striving towards a greener future. Overseas music. Music, international overseas music. Music. Music, international.